I'm about to go for a little bit of a drive, and it's my dog.
What's up, Miss Jane? What's up, baby girl? Hi. Yeah. Such a good face.
It's a little bit chilly this morning. 51 degrees Fahrenheit or 10.5 in new money. It's been a little bit since I've driven the car, since I've gotten a really good drive in, since fixing all the oil leaks. So I'm gonna do a quick and easy drive this morning, and I'm also gonna walk you through some of the equipment that I'm using. First up, we have the Insta360, which I have sitting on this mount just to get some interesting shots. I might extend it out a little bit, who knows? Let's see where we can go. For sound, I'm using this. This is a Zoom H1 Essential. I like the sound that I got out of it, so that's what I use. You know, standard audio, tone, clap, sync up sort of thing. Work well. To control the camera, we're using an Insta360 remote. This is pretty cool because for the X3, this will record GPS tracks that the thing can overlay. Because I'm a dork, that just lives right there on the dash. And we have a hoodie gear shift because I'm cold, it's cold. Alright. Change that I did make recently on the steering wheel. I have a 12.5mm spacer here, another one on the other side. Push the steering wheel toward me, 25mm, which is just enough to be comfortable ergonomically. Before I was struggling, I was kind of at the extent of my reach to turn it. This is a little bit better. Eventually I want to do a deep dish wheel, make that better configuration. Time to do the thing. Turn on the camera. Camera just turned on, we're waiting for it to sync with the remote. There we go. Sound recording. Sound recording started. Go ahead, start recording on the camera. Camera's now recording. That gives us our audio sync, and we're ready to go. Not going full cam yet, still under temp on water and oil. And also like neighbors. Alright, I splashed some gas and I have left my key in my pocket again. So this is the reason for the drive. I wanted to get the car out, get some heat in it, throw it around a few curves, just slosh the oil around, see if I had any dropout in oil pressure, and I really didn't. The lowest the oil pressure got was about 26 psi, and that was when I was coming to a stop, right around here. Nothing to really write home about. Oil temperatures are maybe a little bit low. It could stand to be a little bit warmer. The car is overcooled. So, yeah, pretty good.